Hey grade 8s, my name is Justin Davino. I'm a third year here at Marcellinus, and we're so excited to have you here. What do you love about St. Marcellinus?
Well, I love most the friends that I've made here and the amazing teachers that have made me feel welcome here.
I like the variety of electives there is to take.
St. Marcellinus offers an array of diverse clubs at our school. There's anything and there's everything for anyone. So if you're interested in sports, we offer an array of sports teams. We have a volleyball team, a basketball team, badminton.
Clubs like DECA, Model UN, the Creative Writers Club, all such things like that.
I would highly suggest coming here, especially if you're trying to get into sports and football, stuff like that. There's a lot of opportunities here.
And if you enjoy equity clubs or even clubs such as Student Council, which I'm in, there's everything for you. So you'll definitely find something for you to fit in with here, and you shouldn't be nervous because you'll definitely find something for you.
What should grade 8s look forward to at Marcy's?
I say the amount of friends that you'll make here.
I think grade 8 should look forward to a lot of the big events that we organize, such as semi-formal. We have a semi annually, so it's really cool to get dressed up and have a night out with your friends. We also offer a multicultural event day where you can embrace your culture and bring in all sorts of foods, and you get to try them. So it's really fun, and I think that's definitely the highlight that I think I enjoyed the most at Marcellinus. But yeah.
Depending on what you're into, when you're coming here, there's a lot of programs, clubs, and other extracurricular stuff you could get into. So it all depends on what you like.
Joining clubs, because I feel that's and extracurricular activities are where you're mostly gonna be making friendships and also getting to explore more of your interests.
What advice would you give grade 8s going into grade 9?
Advice I would give grade 8s going into grade 9 would be that you should get a lot of friends. So make a lot of friends, get to know the school, and don't be nervous about fitting in or anything, because you'll definitely find a group of friends that you really click with. Your teachers, get to know them well, and just make sure you do your homework every night and you'll be fine. It can be hard at first, but you'll definitely get the hang of it.
Make a lot of friends. A lot of the friends I made in grade 9 are most of the friends I have today. So just don't be afraid to put yourself out there.
Nobody here is really like scary or anything. So if that's like what you're, thinking about, like, oh, the school's gonna be scary and like nobody's gonna be welcoming. No, like really, St. Marcellinus is a really nice place to get involved within the community and make friends.
Be honest with yourself. Listen, do your work, stay in school.
From me, I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away.
What should grade 8s expect coming to the school?
The grade 8s should expect many opportunities, not just for learning, but clubs, sports. We highly encourage all of our students to be involved in some capacity in the school, to contribute to the culture of the school, to help each other out. What you'll be coming to here at St. Marcellinus as grade 8s, not just with kids, but also as families, is that feeling of family. The feeling of we look out for each other, we protect each other, and more importantly, we love and we manage issues, and we try to always make sure that people leave here feeling that they've not just learned something, but that they've grown and can manage and reach their goals that they've set out for themselves.
What advice would you give grade 8s going into grade 9?
I think what the advice I would give to grade 8s is the feelings that you're probably feeling right now in grade 8 is probably feelings of nervousness, feelings of things being new. But I encourage you to embrace that newness, to look at it from a mindset that it is a fresh start, to make new friends, to meet new teachers, and to access different activities and different things in a setting where you will be seen, you will be heard, and you will be loved.